guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I'm going to be doing a video on how I pack and like some tips and tricks on stuff, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first tip is actually for your toiletries. So basically you can either go to Lush when you're at your destination and be like, hey, I forgot my shampoo, or hey, what's this? Can I sample it? And then basically get your little samples and use them for your trip. I mean, I don't do that all the time, but okay, so another thing also, if you don't want to go to other stores and buy those containers, reuse them. So this is like another sample one, and so basically I'm just gonna fill it up with this moisturizing cream. It's like super easy to just fill it for like, I'm pretty sure like that's all you're gonna need. So yeah, and then you can just like change the name. This one's a Celestial because that's what it was, and then just combine them. You can either put like a rubber band on top of this, so then they're all stored. And I love to use these bags. I'll be showing you guys in the video, but I love using these bags to save space. So yeah. Okay guys, so another tip is to check the weather on your phone, because I know it seems like something you would totally do, but I always forget, and I am in the middle of the driveway and where I was like, I forgot a jacket, or I forgot something, or a fancy dress, or who knows, like. And so we're going to Portland and Seattle, so I make sure to check the weather. So yeah, that's very important. Okay, so next tip, like I mentioned earlier, definitely organize. So organize in like cubes or little bags. So like here, I know like I have my toiletries, like underwear and bathing suits and socks and bras and everything. Okay guys, so the next thing is to write down a to bring list. So basically like a to-do list. Like I always forget to bring a straightener, like a hair curler, a hairbrush, deodorant, like the most basic things that I honestly forget. So that's like a great tip because I always forget.